Earth in a spirit now, holy Gwaan Suh. Millions chop on my holy phone. So she money from the first time photo.
They feel I bring my clothes. Oh, you die when I want to go more. Here's the flag, my call I know. I'm gone, I end. Every day my name call I listen, I
My idol, me start sing song. Shit like a rifle, just a breeze like fun. Dance and dark, yeah, we love it madness.
But I want to know some kind of auntie. One kill people, come a bumbo clot, tired of that.
Your BBL girl, you do your body. Straight gunshot when you do Karachi. Cocky in your hole that casting on me. What can make you done?
No, me nah go cause nobody what but your bumbo class. So all who a wash mouth for me. Tell me how you feel, no charge it.
A mansion, I never scheme, see the bigger picture. Yeah. Go to cap on my lifestyle. Fuck up and chase it, never take.
Them a penny pinch. Me buy me girl breaking to make it summer hit. Them a chat.
So me cook wild like Gordon Ramsay. Keep clock here with a pan clip. Spread it out pan a boy so the bad.
Look how far we a come from. Don't God me reach ya so. Never stop believe me I go make it out. Move out of the same old house. With the new year.
Different than the message that we always tell them. We have to make the people them know. Say right now, time more precious than money, you know. So you have to spend your time wise and spend it on your loved ones. You know what I mean? And because when you lose time, you can't get it back. You know what I mean? I lose all heap of money and I get it back from the first day I walk through the prison gate. How amazing is that? But I can't get back the time when my youth them was little youth and when I come out, them a big man. I can't get back the time when my daughter was a little girl and when I come out, she graduate. You understand? I can't get back the time where my grandmother dead when we there in prison. Mad Su's mother dead when we there in prison. Cairo grandmother dead when we there in prison. And we can't get back them time the daddy. You understand? Them thing they bring tears to me eye. I go to say I water about one DJ name so. You understand? So time, you have to spend it wisely. And check for your loved one them. And yeah, we know as always say we have to in the street and a hustle. But the little time where you can find to spend with your son, spend with your daughter, spend with your mother, spend with your girlfriend, do it. You know what I mean? Life's not perfect, you know, but you don't know. I just say, I the truth. God and time, you know? Yeah, man. So that's the message I would have give after doing almost 13 years in a prison. Going through what I go through. Yeah, man.
You realize that next month is the 13th year. It makes it the 13th.
13th year. I know, so but why me not something I really like say 13 years? Because I don't want to give the system the extra 2 years there. Because I'm a habit. I'm there road now. Now I give them it. So I don't do no 13 year. I do 12 and 10.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
12 and 10. Because I come back to me and say about time. I don't give them it.
Okay.
You understand?
Every day.
Yeah.
All right.
Not even in a literal sense.
No, I know Sean Storm is here.
I'm a brother that.
I know that. And I use in
no, me I give an opportunity for why me. I'm a brother that I love him.
No man.
You know why me?
You speak the facts.
All right.
Facts.
Why you know why me?
There's no why. Yo, tough all right. Peter, my real brother them. Me love you know. I can't why me for that, because I was the same man. Yeah, but
short, man.
Listen.
The short, man.
What I'm saying about Sean Storm is a star in his own right.
Of course.
I would do a serious
Sean,
No, I'm saying this. I would do a serious disservice.
Yes.
To not give Sean Storm his own time and his own context matter.
I agree, Maria.
Should he allow that?
Maria.
But I would be disrespectful.
Yeah.
And I would never do that. He has a story.
Yes.
Yeah, and the public want to know when you start to play
piano.
No, we just say no. What I'm saying is that in and of itself has to be put in context.
What class you reaching on the mechanic thing? Yo, I'm telling you something. See, Sean, you see us, so multi-talented. Him can play piano and him can fix any German vehicle. Yeah, man, can go German school. I don't know if you know that school about
German automotive.
German automotive. So him can fix Benz, Beamer, Audi, VW, you name it. Matter of fact, you know, used to, before you, when I farm Empire, I said, if I left the job and forward, him used to literally work at JOTC, I think. Yeah, man. I'm a brother that man, fully talented man. Farm me and him a forward from. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. His mother used to sell one at the primary school and me used to go. So you must know along that. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm a real bro G that. And when they may look for some picture, I see you notice every picture with me in her, whether from the free and the road, when me there prison I got a court, and when me come from prison, shining almost one of them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the internet say loyalty is Sean Star.
Yeah, man, I talk about, man.
If ever.
Yeah, man. Real narrative this with me and Sean. No Kane are able business. Yeah, man, we put Kane are able to shame.
But Kane put him own self to shame still.
Yeah,
so
man. Yeah,
man. Just putting that in context. Paul crosses.
Yeah, man. See what a planting thing I read that. Hey, boy, Kane. Come down. Big up Coolio.
But definitely, legs. You say legs. But seriously, I want to definitely thank you for participating in Context Matters.
Yeah, man, we are talking about, man. You make me walk through prison gate, you know.
God did that, but we
yeah, but him send people like you to do it. God work through people. You know that God on time, we say, you know.
Definitely that. Man. But in terms of platform.
Big up big youth. Big up the general big youth.
Right, because if Joan wasn't going around begging nuts.
Glad me have this over, man. I have nothing to say.
Anyway, shout out to my mother, who was in the 70s. Found big youth and, you know, then I would say procreate and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Context
matters.
It matters.
Yeah, man.
But definitely, and to shout, you know, I know that Lexi is watching, Alexandra La Beach. I know that
big
John
up
Clark is watching.
Let me do it.
All right.
Big up Alexandra La Beach, aka Lexi. Big up John Clark. Not the abolitionists. You understand? Big up Iqbal. The whole team. So me I say, and a whole heap of respect and a whole heap of honor. I sat my brother from another mother, you know, the whole honor. Big up on yourself. We're forever grateful. You know what I mean? Trust me. And big up all the liars them I done my money.
You want to name them or it's just a...
Bert. Miss Neat. Remember me not a filter, you know. Bert. Tom. What Tom am I G still? Miss Neat. When next song name? What the girl name? The big body sexy one. Tamika. Aris. And where next one name? The coolie one. Pierre in name Arabola. Pierre Ratchas. You see me?
You say them a fight again. You see how them a fight against Rasta?
Yeah. No, we can't bond the wire make Shane Williams bust off. So big up the wire.
Why?
How can I argument that?
Yeah, go on.
How can I argument that?
No.
Me even know you.
But no.
Yeah.
Not on context, but
no.
never.
Yeah, man, that's the thing, though, man. Yeah, man, it's a joy. Big up the fans, man. Big up the Gaza citizens, man, you know. It's a joy. Big up the haters, too, because it really inspire me to stay strong and don't die in prison.
No, but I must tell you, the bloggers don't hate you. They love you.
No, I'm not at the vloggers.
Okay.
I talk all haters.
Okay.
9ers, 10ers, everything, you know. But yeah, the fans, them, take precedence over everybody, so big them up. The chant on our chant, free world boss, remember in the beginning was the word. The word said, let there be light, and there was light. So the word powerful, the spoken word.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Definitely.
Right,
Definitely.
Mhm.
Definitely.
So we got the fans, the one order, the clans. That's how you go. The bleachers, the stands.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All
There
right.
you go. The cash and the bands. The vocalists and the bands.
Mm-hmm. And the lions and the tigers.
Force! Meow!
And to the TikTok,
Meow!
tap up the screen and share the like because
Hold on. I want that over my head. Look at something there.
yeah. So the GG mean Gaza. Okay, yeah, I remember when you can watch this live on Coda Network tomorrow. Well, the edited version will be aired on Coda Network. So don't forget that. Big up Lexi and Dion and the crew.
People him not pay me.
And Reggae Global Radio for giving us this platform.
A pro bono work me I do people. Him not pay me for the on the show.
You know something? It's called reciprocity. Yeah. Big up all the client that would give me my money.
You see that big word they when
Big up all the client that would give me money. Anyway.
You see that big word they use? It just means say him do something for
No,
me, so me do something for him.
Lauren Hill. It's Lauren Hill. Like she thinking some reciprocity.
See no one earth.
Let's see them. They must sing to you.
Big up see them. I know just enough for one hour a while ago, but you know I say it go. Yeah, but big guy up still, me not gonna lie. You know? Yeah, man. I'm a backbone. Yeah, man. I'm a G. Yeah, man. I watch you now. Big up my kids them. I can't accompany your program.
No, man, everything. Because if you leave here on Teresa.
My mother, my father.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
man.
right.
Big up my kids, my grandson. Adisha Palmer the third, you know? Big up my little granddaughter, Adia. Yeah, man. I just say thing there, man. Big up Brittany, my daughter-in-law. You know them way that I can't live for you.
That is it.
Yeah, man. Shit, my son love her, you know? I one burner, you know.
So?
No, but me a one burner right now still. Because right now I'm focus. So me a one burner.
So we're putting it in context. You said right now still.
No, I'm change my thing, man. Me a one burner.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
engaged, you know. Soon to be married, you know. So I just that's the thing there. So
Sean Storm.
no, man.
Sean Storm. Sean Storm said, Lloyd.
You know how much place me I see my buck up? Me say, my virgin name Miguel bring a catty come give me.
That's it, Miguel Lauren. You see,
No,
I'm going to big you up because, okay, thank you.
Me say,
Them not respect Rasta around here, you know.
Anyway, my virgin Miguel from Grotto Park, pick him up. Bring a girl come give me and thing and me I say, yeah man, and cause you don't know, sharpshooter badness. And thing and the gate will pull out the shoulder, but the first 3 gate they open and the gate will pull out the shoulder. And I see my step through the gate. When the cat is see my run, she run off the floor. Yeah, man, I saw see my walk, man. Him not run for sieve them out, man. Yeah, man. But I say it, man. Them days I only for sharing me and him do it, you know? Yeah, man.
Sharing is caring.
But yeah, man, one burner badness me I deal with that now still. But Siva can't change, man. Them man there. Man, they are civil road different, man. I say it, man.
All right. So in the at the time of
Yes, sir.
independence, emancipation,
Emancipation.
July 31st is emancipation, courtesy of Court of Appeal.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna close without saying that you are a national treasure.
Yeah,
And when you do get your honors from the government, it will be the order of the nation.
Yeah, I am still. God is the greatest.
God is the greatest.
Any honor that is to be bestowed upon me, you have to share it with the boss.
All right.
God is the greatest. God on time, you know. I learned that the hard way. but me learn it nonetheless.
And we
impart it upon the youth them.
We definitely
Yes, Iva.
gonna leave it right there. I want to thank the viewers.
Yes.
Reggae Global Radio.
Yeah.
YouTube. TikTok. Turn up. No, the lion never roar, but me see the push them.
Meow.
Yeah, but thank you for joining. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, rewatch, and follow. I don't have to tell you to follow the boss. That's why I do.
Yeah, man, the TikTok hot, you know.
The TikTok live.
Yeah, man, the TikTok hot, man. Follow Sean Storm TikTok too.
Follow Sean Storm. The journey continues. I won't say a Luther continue because it won't be a struggle, but it will be a journey.
Yeah.
And looking forward to many more great moments and contribution to dancehall, to reggae music, and to Jamaica economically and musically, and in terms of the messaging. You did say when you left prison that the message to the youths was that it's a waste of time and life. It's not worth it.
Yes.
Is what you use.
Yeah.
And I'm speaking into your life, positivity and greatness.
Yes.
And knowing that you rise above the fray.
Yes.
And you did say to me one time that bad mind, you the best way to beat bad mind.
Yes.
Is to do great things.
Yeah, man. Yeah, talk about, man. Success are the greatest.
Success is the greatest. So I'm leaving it at that. I remember context matters. And if ever in life you find yourself begging nuts, check yourself into a mental institution. Out.